Terrorists have released a picture of Aurangzeb before he was murdered, and that picture is on your screens moments before he was brutally murdered by terrorists. Aurangzeb, who was on his Eid leave, captured by terrorists and brutally murdered, and now terrorists have released a picture of him before that brutal murder took place. We have Aditya Rajkol, our associate editor, joining us for more. Aditya, this is the terrorists releasing this picture. They're playing with fire because the ceasefire, in all likelihood, is set to be over tomorrow.
Yes, Krishna, this is Hizbul Mujahideen that has released this photograph of Aurangzeb, who was a rifleman with the Indian Army's 44 Rashtriya Rifles in Shopian. Let's remember that Aurangzeb was part of that team as well that eliminated Samir Tiger, the dreaded terrorist of Hizbul Mujahideen, and a commander as well that had become such a pain for the common residents of Kashmir for a very long time. And Aurangzeb was in fact abducted yesterday in the morning when he was leaving for his residence. He had got a 4-day leave to celebrate Eid with his family members in Poonch. When he was on way from Shopian, Pulwama towards Poonch, on the way his vehicle was stopped and masked men abducted him. Later at night, somewhere in Pulwama in the Gusu village, his mortal remains were found. Now a last photograph of Aurangzeb has been recovered. This has been released by terrorists. This is in Pulwama itself. He has been tied to a tree, perhaps subjected to some torture as well. And Aurangzeb is almost clueless, without any kind of an emotion on his face. So this picture on your screens is of Aurangzeb, the brave heart who was martyred yesterday evening. He is in fact from J&K, from Poonch. He was part of the anti-terror operations for last few years. He was just 25 years old and was subjected to torture and finally was killed. Now, top sources in the J&K police and security apparatus have told Republic that Hizbul Mujahideen was responsible for the killing, and Naved, who was a deserter cop, he was in the J&K police 2 years ago. He has deserted with weapons and joined Hizbul Mujahideen, is responsible for his abduction and killing as well. So a massive manhunt has been launched across Pulwama and Shopian to trace these perpetrators of killing. And in fact, now this is the latest photograph that Republic TV has accessed. This is the last photograph of the braveheart of India, Aurangzeb, who sacrificed his life for the country. He was part of the anti-terror operations that killed Samir Tiger. And in fact, this is a chilling reality, a very last photograph of someone who was at the forefront of the anti-terror operations in South Kashmir. Krishna?
Right, Aditya, also the family is seeking revenge. They want a revenge that to come within 72 hours.
That's right, Krishna. The family members are very, very emotional, as is the entire country. The people in J&K particularly are very emotional right now because remember, the killing spree hasn't ended. The killing fields of J&K have led to more terror attacks during Ramzan ceasefire. Today and tomorrow are perhaps the last few hours of the Ramzan ceasefire. We are being told that tomorrow evening the anti-terror operations will again begin across the Kashmir Valley, particularly in South Kashmir, where the army and the J&K police first target will be Naved, who killed Aurangzeb. They will be trying to eliminate him within the next 72 hours. And also in Srinagar, where Shujat Bukhari's 4 killers are still on the run right now. Yes, the family members of Aurangzeb made a very emotional appeal. The father, in fact, saying that within the next 72 hours, I give Prime Minister Narendra Modi to eliminate these terrorists who led to the barbaric and brutal killing of his son Aurangzeb. Now, this is a very, very painful moment. In the past also, residents of J&K, the patriotic residents of J&K who chosen to be inside the Indian Army and the J&K police have been subjected to torture and such killing as well. Lieutenant Fayaz was one case last year, and this year yet again we have another braveheart, Aurangzeb, the rifleman of the Indian Army, who was in fact a very important part of the Indian Army. He played very crucial role in the IDS and in fact the anti-terror operations, was subjected to torture, and at a time when he was not on duty, from behind in a very cowardly attack, he was killed by these perpetrators. This just does indicate how these terrorists do not have any kind of ethics in mind. They do not believe even in the rules of war, and they attack from behind, they abduct an ordinary Kashmiri and barbarically kill him after torture. So this latest
Right.
photograph accessed by Republic TV does indicate how
Aditya-
he was tortured. He's clueless and without any emotion on his face, and perhaps a reality that forces should be now given a free hand across Kashmir.
Absolutely.